What's up, everyone? Welcome back. It's Cade here with Skywolf Game Studios. Today I wanted to spotlight a Blender add-on that seriously caught my attention, even though I haven't purchased it just yet. The add-on's called MatPlus and it's by B3FX Studios, and these guys are the creators of RGB Lab and Fluid Lab, which are really popular already. So let's take a look. The reason this has really grabbed my attention is its built-in painting layer system that's really super powerful. From what I've seen, it's rivaling Substance Painter, Armory, and UCU in terms of workflow and visual fidelity. What makes this one stand out is how well it integrates with the latest version of Blender 4.5, especially since many other tools have not kept up very well. The results that they are showing clearly, and you'll see it in a moment, are honestly visually astounding, and it's really got me seriously considering purchasing it. So while this isn't a hands-on review just yet, I wanted to at least share with you why it's popped up on my radar and what I've learned, and how well this could easily fit into any stylized or realistic modular asset workflow. So, before we go into a video of it, let's just take a look. So we got a layer-based painting system that rivals Substance Painter, Armor, Mari, and even UCU, which isn't mentioned there. What I really like about it, though, is you don't have to use external softwares. It's all built in. It's fully non-destructive, and it uses a Photoshop-style blending mode. With real-time effects, you can blur, high-pass levels, and more. It's per layer masks, with precise control over every detail, using the slider values, which gives you a lot of control. You can see this right here, and look at that. That is just astounding, especially like the details that are crammed in there on the fire hydrant. That just looks so hyper realistic, and you even got welds. This is some of the best work I've seen for any add-on so far. You can paint directly onto 3D models, and it's even got tablet support. You can paint over materials. You can use UDIMs. You can even do texture baking with various maps. So that's really nice. It's very adaptive with the cage system. So that's a great addition. And it's easy to export to engines. So that just makes it even more powerful. It does work with cycles and Eevee. So that just adds more bang for your buck. They do give you 240 grayscale textures for use as masks and whatnot. You have a library of PBR materials. It looks like they're using ambient CG, and that's okay. That just makes your workflow easier, and it makes it easier for them to keep that on updated. And they also have a high quality hard surface texture library. I'm not sure if that comes in there, but it looks like, I'm guessing because they're listing it separately, they must have made that specifically for this. So that's really nice to have. And then you have some custom brushes and free updates for all 1X versions. So looks like as soon as that hits a 2 version, it could get more expensive, possibly. And then they have support via email, and you can just look through. You have 2D workflow. Like, this is just really nice looking. Masks and edgeware. Like, that is just beautiful. And here's some filters for different effects. I really like how they laid this out so you can see exactly what you're getting and everything it can do. This is very, very well built. Here's the PBR materials from Ambient CG. Masks. Your textures, masks. Here's some paint brushes. And these are some of their example materials. I believe these are like smart materials. Looks like they haven't added one in for 4 yet because there's nothing below that, but looks like there's one coming. So you're getting a lot already, with more to come. But anyway, don't take my word for it. Watch this video and check it out. I'll play it right now. Details we've seen so far in this add-on are just incredible in my opinion. If you stuck around for the end of this video, I appreciate it. Smash that like and subscribe button, and then go ahead over to their YouTube channel and subscribe. And if you really want the add-on, go ahead and use the link. I'll drop that below with my referral ID, and that helps me get it sooner while supporting their development to keep the add-on going. You guys have a fantastic evening, and I hope this helped you learn about a new cool add-on. See ya next time.